Hi, hello. Anybody ever talk about Big Rod again? I stepped behind my man.
They said they don't want to see that.
I stepped behind my man.
What happened?
Hbcu.
Don't know you.
Hey, yeah, you don't know that. You don't know that.
You don't know you.
You don't know that.
Don't start crying, kid.
Is there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
It's time.
Mommy's kissing Santa Claus!
Vlogmas.
Why would I blame myself if you want to hurt? I mean, I'm not understanding.
Bitch, you look a mess.
It's Vlogmas. Merry Christmas, Happy December.
Oh, I accept your apology.
I'm gonna get it fixed today though.
I don't want to say that. I gotta go fit here and then go way back across town. Cause you ain't getting them something for the ponytail, right? So that means you can go.
I'm gonna do me a sleek ponytail. To avoid heat damage, I had give me some better heat protectant and a better blow dryer, and I was gonna straight flat iron my hair today, but I'm not gonna do it. I was gonna get the the Remington flat iron and the Revlon paddle brush thingy, and I got me some chai heat protectant and the red spray bottle. So I'm not gonna do that because my other ponytail is a sleek ponytail and I need to flat out my hair, so I'm gonna do that again. I'm not
here with
a whole bunch of stuff in the hair store at Target. This vlog out, but it's hot. I don't care. I'm still gonna do it. And if I got a list, y'all, I should go my retainer bed. I'm fresh out the bed, so it's not hot. I gotta go to work at 2. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And then I'm gonna be straight to the music. Went to the hair store, got a soft bristle brush. I got a sparkly brush and it came in a set with this sparkly brush inside heat protectant for my hair. That I can strip some wrap like around my hair for the braids and the ponytail. Got some rubber bands, got some lashes on the glue, and you know every time that girl go in a big spot, you gotta be sweet. I'm trying to make it a habit to collect these every time I go. This one is called Butt Naked. I also got this new blow dryer. It's in the bathroom, and I'm not gonna go get up and get that because I gotta go. It's called the Night Doctor. I'm just gonna go wash my hair. I got the usuals: the medicated shampoo, the Camille Rose conditioner, and the Not Today leave-in. I have some TGIN deep conditioners and sitting in my hair for a while. First step is taking down my hair and then washing my hair. So let's go.
Your nigga, what the fuck? What in the hell you doing?
What you think about that dumbass?
Tell me, fellas, have you seen us? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet us. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step. Now, with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. get me wrong, but say oh. I know you're trying to leave. I said how I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait,
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way to but some maybes. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
I didn't even show y'all the finished product. I just hopped back in the frame. I'm so sorry, y'all. This vlog was all over the place and it was chaotic. It was bad, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hello. Stop looking like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm at work now. Good morning. I put my hair in the bow so I can go to sleep. I don't know, y'all. My hair marinated overnight and I like it. I look pale. Last night I made some last minute changes to my hair. I took some of the edges out of here and I put it up and out of here and I put it up and I got edge control and now I love it. I love it. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, stop. I know you're tired of me. Yeah. Well, today is that vlog. And today also starts Vlogmas week 2. And today's video will also be posted today. So if you see me with the same sweater on at the end of this video and at the beginning of the next video, I'm literally posting this one today, ending this video out today, and starting the next one today. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. I love you. You are loved. Drink some water, eat some food, and bye-bye.
Yo, YBH.